Meaning of executive branch.
Executive branch.
Executive branch.
Executive branch.
Executive branch. The executive branch is the branch of government responsible for enforcing laws and managing the day-to-day operations of the government. It is headed by the President of the United States, who serves as the Commander-in-Chief of the military and oversees various federal agencies. The executive branch has the power to veto legislation passed by Congress, negotiate treaties with foreign governments, and appoint judges and other officials. By carrying out these duties, the executive branch helps to ensure that the government operates efficiently and effectively in service of the American people.